Hey everyone, it's Lynnea here, and it is the start of the LDRS Creative October features, and we are getting ready for Christmas. So I'm going to be taking some products from the new release and mixing them with older products from my stash. I love these modern geometric cover plate dies. There are 3 of them in this set, and you can arrange them in any order that you want. I have the first one and the third one, and I'm going to layer them up onto a piece of dark teal cardstock that's cut to A2 size. Now I just have a nice little background. I love this cluster of trees that's in the Christmas stable stamp set. I just think it looks really cute. Like, these trees are kind of out in nature, but somebody has decorated them, maybe little Christmas elves. I'm going to color them really simply with some Copic markers. I color super simply. I usually pick 2 or 3 markers for each color, and then I just start with my darkest color, add some shading, and then come in with a lighter color. The only exception here is when I color white, I just use a C1 marker, a cool gray 1 marker, and just add some color where I think there will be shadows, and then I don't blend that out. If I use a darker color, maybe a cool gray 2 marker, I'll come in with a colorless blender and blend that out. I'm now going to use the Christmas stable dies and cut out that little cluster of trees. I've also stamped my sentiment, and this is from the Christmas Sentiments stamp set. I stamped Merry and Bright, and I love that these dies not only cut out the sentiment, but also a shadow die. I cut out the shadow from the same color dark teal cardstock that I have in the background, and I started to arrange my card, and I realized that my trees weren't standing out from the background, and I also really did not like that shadow die. Usually I'm a really big fan of shadow dies, but in this case it was just too heavy. So I removed that. I added a vellum die cut circle, added all of my images with foam tape, and then I'm just going to add a healthy coating of clear shimmer to my trees. And this card is finished. Just a little bit of die cutting, and all I colored was one simple image. I hope you've enjoyed this card. If you are looking for more Christmas inspiration, be sure to come back to my YouTube channel tomorrow. I'll have another video for day 2 of the LDRS Creative features. On screen now are a couple other videos I thought you'd like. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you later. Bye!